Good evening, teacher. How are you? My name is Mauricio José Fontalvo Balcázar. I'm 31 years old. I'm from Barranquilla, Atlántico, and I live in Soledad, Atlántico with my wife and my daughter. I am a technician in laboratory. I'm studying industrial engineering. My favorite TV show is This Is Us. My hobby is watching movies, and my favorite sport is soccer. And now I describe my family. My family is composed of 3 people. My wife is Cindy Diaz. She is 30 years old. She is from El Copey Cesar. She is an economist, but she doesn't work now. In other words, she is a housewife. My wife has a happy expression. She's very beautiful. She is tall. She is a middleweight. She has a big brown eyes. And she has a long straight blonde hair. My daughter is Isabela Fontalvo Diaz. She is 4 years old. She is from Barranquilla, Atlántico, and she is a student of kindergarten. My daughter has a sweet expression. She's very funny. She is thin. She has a big brown eyes like her mom, and she has a short, curly blonde hair. I am taller than my wife. I am a middleweight. I have a friendly expression, but sometimes I'm so strict. Well, teacher, this is my family and my presentation. Thank you very much.